This is a British passport. You're obviously not British.
Yeah, I am.
Well, we'll see about that. Taj Mansour. Right. Where were you born?
Bradford.
All right. Where were your parents born?
Oh, sorry. Sheffield.
All right. Where were their parents originally from?
Pakistan.
Pakistan. We're getting somewhere. Right. So if there was a cricket match between England and Pakistan, who would you support?
I don't like cricket.
All right. Well, which sports do you like?
BMX.
Anything else?
Cage fighting, man. I love cage fighting, man. You see it on Saturday on Sky. Man, there was this wicked fight, right? Because there's one guy, right? He was being really cheeky, man. He was really insulting the other guy. He was giving it all of that. But then the other guy came in and like mashed up his face, man. It was like a plate of meat at the end of it, man. It was crazy.
All right. So if there was a cage fight between an Englishman and a Pakistanian, whose face would you like to see mashed up?
Yeah, but there isn't any cage fighters from Pakistan, isn't it? I think there's one from the Wirral. It's called something like Straight